And MOCC helped me by getting me ready for my future.
I've always liked to weld since I was a younger kid. My dad showed me how to do it, and after that I always loved it, so I figured the welding program would suit me pretty good, and I know you can make a good living off it.
The Welding and Fabrication program here at the Mecosta-Osceola Career Center is a one-year program. Students do have the opportunity to come back for a second year if they apply. In their first year, they are going to practice different welding and cutting skills.
I've learned a lot about pushing myself to get things done.
Their second year that they can apply to come back to, they can either do advanced training in different welding and cutting processes and more fabrication of projects, going for certifications, or they can do a work-based option.
I've learned how to multitask. I've learned how to weld the right way.
The environment between the lab to the classroom is amazing. There's kids in here where you can see the amount of effort they put in and how much it just clicks with them and how much they enjoy their time here.
One of the things I really love also about this program is the other skills that it teaches, like time management, responsibility, accountability.
I like the instructors because they're always there for you.
Teachers are amazing.
Honestly, I think my favorite experiences are like when you finish a weld and it looks like you get to chip the slag off it and you see what like you can create with the weld and how good it looks.